How's it going, everybody? Hey, today I got an exciting product that I want to show you guys. A lot of YouTube influencers have been getting these. I got lucky. I went to a show recently. Shout out to Jazzy Beauty for putting on a showcase and just allowing a lot of barbers to come and just meet vendors, meet different people. Today I'm going to introduce you guys to the Metal Instinct, guys. I was able to get my hands on these. I think they're out for pre-order. Wasn't going to get these, but one of the barbers from the shop, he just joined the team. He came with a pair of these and we gave him some stuff for it, because obviously I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have seen the memes, all the videos that have been going around about Stylecraft and the Instincts having some issues. But honestly, guys, when I saw that they were coming down with a metal version, I'm like, well, maybe they fix some issues. And I convinced myself to spend a crazy amount of money that these cost. These are not cheap, guys. I believe these retail for $300 on the Stylecraft website. But here's some b-roll of me opening it up and just showing you guys the clipper itself. The clipper is a metal body, guys, so the cool thing about this is that for the people that love that weight, the weight is there. One complaint that I had about the original Instincts is that it did not have that weight that I love. I came from the corded era, so you know, this Masters heavy machine metal, the Wall Seniors metal machine, and I personally got so used to having such a heavy machine that, you know, when these cordless clippers came out, it was a little hard to get adjusted, you know. But here is the Instinct, guys. You guys, here's some info. Let me get into this. So it comes with the Black Diamond Vapor Blade. This one has a high power vector motor, the adjustable zero gap blade, up to 4 hours of cordless running time. 4 hours, guys, that's pretty crazy. The other machine that can do 4 hours is the JRLs, and I do have a pair of those. These come with magnetic guards, guys. That's different. Metal guards, guys. 11,500 amps, guys. That's pretty crazy. 11,500. Does any other machine does it 11,500? I don't even know. 11,500 absorbs and damps sound and vibration. And these do have a custom face for them, so you do get the option of a white with gold, or I believe that's purple and black. So check these out. Do you guys want a little sound test? Let's see if this mic can pick it up. A little louder than what I would like, coming from JRL. JRLs are very quiet clippers, very good for kids. But for this Instinct, for the power that you get for how small the body is, it's good. I'm gonna show you guys some b-roll of what comes inside the box. I do not want to just start taking stuff out. It does come with, what does it come with? It comes with the magnetic guards. It comes with a screwdriver. That's pretty dope. Oil, a brush. It does come with replacement levers. It comes with a stretch bracket that has 4 holes, so I'm assuming that's if you want to add a different type of blade to it. I hope you guys like the video. I definitely this is definitely out of the price bracket for a lot of people. I personally did not want to spend $300. I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. I did not want to spend $300 on this, but if it cuts if it cuts better or just as good as the plastic Instincts and they last a long time, then it's going to be worth the investment, guys. I couldn't stop cutting with the regular Instincts. If I'm being honest with you, I did end up falling in love with them. So let's just see how these work. In a month, I'm going to post a update again and just give you guys my thoughts, my pros and cons, and pretty much just see if this is worth the $300 price tag. So again, guys, thank you so much for staying. Thank you for listening to me. Again, I'm nobody big. You could take my comments, my thoughts with a grain of salt, but I'm hoping that I can bring you guys more I'm hoping I can bring you guys more videos of me just buying clippers, testing them out, giving you my thoughts on them, because I am somebody that cuts behind the chair still. I'm somebody that uses these machines every single day, and I want to help out those who are up and coming. I want to help out those who are either in the middle ground of like, I don't know if I should invest money in more clippers or if I should just stick with what I got. Honestly guys, like, these clippers are getting very expensive, so I could definitely say, like, even for me, it was a little hard to spend $300 on just one machine. But guys, these tools just make our lives easier, so I'm hoping that price tag makes my life easier. So again, I'm just somebody that just wants to help out other barbers in the industry. I do not want to sell you something that doesn't work or something that's going to be not useful for your career. Again guys, thank you so much. My name is Juan Francisco, and have a blessed day guys. Peace out.